Have you ever wondered how to check the expiration date of an SSL certificate? It can be a bit tricky, especially if you're used to other libraries like PyOpenSSL. But don't worry, today we're diving into how to do this using aiohttp. I totally get it. SSL certificates are crucial for secure connections, and knowing when they expire is essential to avoid any disruptions. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge. So, here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to check the SSL certificate expiration date using an aiohttp response object? This is a great question, and it sets the stage for our exploration. To understand this, we need to know how aiohttp works with SSL certificates. When you make a request using aiohttp, it handles the SSL connection for you, but accessing the certificate details requires a bit of extra work. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a handy tip that will make working with SSL certificates even easier. To check the SSL certificate expiration date using aiohttp, the user should first import the necessary libraries. This includes aiohttp for making HTTP requests and SSL for handling SSL certificates. Next, the user needs to create an asynchronous function that will fetch the SSL certificate from a specified URL. This function will use aiohttp to make the request. Inside this function, the user should access the SSL context to retrieve the certificate details. This can be done by using the response object's connection information. Finally, the user can run the asynchronous function and print the expiration date of the SSL certificate. This will provide the necessary information directly in the console. Fun fact: SSL certificates were first introduced in the mid-1990s to secure online transactions. Now they are a standard part of web security. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to check SSL certificate expiration dates is to use a repository called check_tls_certs. While it's not specifically aiohttp, it operates on Asyncio, allowing for asynchronous functionality. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always check your SSL certificate expiration dates regularly to avoid any unexpected downtime. Setting reminders can save you a lot of hassle. And there you have it. You now know how to check the SSL certificate expiration date using aiohttp. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development.